Management of breeding stock. When you are going into crossbreeding, you are looking for something special. You are looking up to get a special breed of bird. Either to produce a bird that can give you maximum meat, or a bird that can give you maximum feed conversion rate, or a bird that will give you maximum egg production. Perhaps a bird that will look attractive, that will make a home and domesticated companion, a pet. All these are one of the most important reasons for crossbreeding. In this content, I will give you the best 13 egg-laying chickens, the 13 best egg-laying chicken breeds that can make your cube. The demand for egg produced in smaller chicken farms has been increasing because of the concern regarding health and safety conditions in bigger farms. The egg producing industry has become very enticing for small businesses. Chickens are usually grown for meat or for eggs, and each chicken has something to offer. The chicken farm or chicken itself should consider its business purpose: producing eggs, growing chickens for the meat industry, or having a mixed farm with both egg-laying chickens and chickens that are more suitable for meat processing. As far as the most productive egg-laying chickens goes, the following are the best chicken breeds for this purpose. 1. Astrolop chicken breed. 2. Lohman Brown Classic chicken breed. 3. The Rhode Island Red chicken breed. 4. Sussex chicken breed. 5. Golden Comet chicken breed. 6. Leghorn chicken breed. 7. Marams chicken breed. 8. Polymor Truck chicken breed. 9. Benevelda chicken breed. 10. Puff Orpington chicken breed. 11. Americana chicken breed. 12. La Brésil chicken breed. And last among the list, Hamburg chicken breed. Now let me explain each of these breeds and the number of eggs they lay per year. Based on this explanation, you can now select any of these breeds for your egg production. Most of them are not within your country, and if you have the capacity, you can still import the eggs, hatch it, or you import the parent stock. Number 1, the Astrolop chicken breed. This black chicken breed, originating in Australia, was developed in 1920 with deep roots in Orpington breed. The name of this breed was given by the name of the Orpington breed, the Austral Orpington Club. It is a chicken breed specializing in egg production. It is considered a true champion in egg laying because one hen from this breed laid 364 eggs in 365 days. Wow! The Australorp breed is found in 3 varieties of colors: blue, white, and black. The Australorp chickens are very active, having a rapid growth rate, starting to lay eggs in or within the month of 50. They start their egg production in the 5th month. They are suitable for growing in a shelter enclosure because they provide a higher egg production if they can walk freely in an open space. These chickens are not good at flying because of their nature, making it possible to grow them in an open space, not requiring higher shelter. Hens of this breed are quite resistant, easily passing over cold winter without affecting their egg laying rate. Number 2, Lohmann Brown Classic Chicken Breed. This is the most widespread breed of laying chickens in the world and is found in almost all parts of the world. The Lohmann breed has a small stature, having a body weight that doesn't exceed 2 kg. The chicken from this breed produces annually up to 313 eggs, with a low feed consumption of just 110 grams per day. Number 3, the Rhode Island Red Chicken breed. This breed originated in the United States, where it was used for a dual purpose, both for eggs and meat. These chickens are most popular with small chicken farms because they can adapt easily to backyard conditions. They have a high resistance against diseases and usually a rather tough temperament. The Rhode Island Red Chicken can lay up to 260 eggs per year. Number 4, Sussex Chicken Breed. Similar to the Red Island, this is a dual-purpose breed, which means that the chickens are grown for eggs or for meat. The breed has 8 different colors, but the most common ones are white, black neck and tail feathers. Sussex chickens are very calm and tame, being suitable for growing even in a yard. The chickens are capable of producing up to 250 eggs annually. Number 5, the Golden Comet Chicken Breed. This breed is actually a widespread hybrid, known for its ability to produce between 250 and 300 eggs annually. The Golden Comet are very calm and tame chickens, perfect for open space, and are easily going with other farm animals. The egg have a brown shell. Number 6, Leghorn Chicken Breed. The breed comes with the port of Lefino, Italy, from a very old Italian population. It features 12 colors varieties, but the white chickens usually lay the most eggs. Leghorn chickens have an average annual production of approximately 200 eggs, but it can go up to 280. The egg weighs 55 to 67 grams and have a white shell. The brooding instinct is manifested very